course, we're talking about rains, and also this is going to mean that the prices of vegetables are also going to spike, and that's exactly what's happening in northern India, where vegetable prices are skyrocketing due to the recent weather conditions. Especially in regions like Uttar Pradesh and Delhi NCR and also Haryana, the cost of essential vegetables has now surged dramatically. In June, tomatoes were priced somewhere between 40 to 50 rupees per kilo, which have now soared to 75 to 80 rupees per kilo. Now, potatoes, which were previously 25 to 30 rupees per kilo, are now priced between 40 to 45 rupees. Now, this spike has been attributed to heavy rains following an intense heat wave that has now already damaged crops. Now, farmers are bearing the brunt of this change in weather, with many reporting that the untimely rains have devastated their tomato harvests, eliminating any hope that they had of a profit this year. Meanwhile, consumers are also feeling the pinch as well, with the high retail prices straining household budgets.
Currently, we're reporting from RK Puram. This is the hub of where fruits and vegetables are sold. This is an area in the central of South Delhi and Central Delhi. This is right in the middle of it. We'll also try and we'll try and speak to one of the sellers here to understand as to what has gotten more expensive, why it has gotten expensive, what article and what fruit and vegetable has been more expensive. Sir, हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. क्या क्या महंगा हुआ है और क्या सस्ता हुआ है, आप थोड़ा डिटेल में बताएं।
इस टाइम तो मैम सारी सब्जियां महंगी हैं, कोई सी ऐसी सब्जी नहीं है जो खरीद के आम आदमी खा ले। तोरी है 120 रुपये बिक रही है, गोभी 160 रुपये बिक रहा है, टमाटर है 80 से 100 तक बिक रहा है। और दुकानदार भी ये नहीं कि कुछ कमा रहा है, लेकिन कस्टमर को महंगे के चक्कर में कस्टमर हमसे ही लड़ते हैं।
महंगाई तो बढ़ ही रहा है, टमाटर का रेट बढ़ गया, सब्जी का रेट बढ़ गया। तो पहले 2 महीना पहले ठीक था, अभी अचानक से बढ़ रहा है सारे।
सर, क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं, कितनी महंगी हो गई सब्जी?
सबसे ज्यादा महंगी, कोई सब्जी 100 रुपए किलो से कम नहीं है।
ये अचानक से, इससे पहले कभी इतनी महंगी थी?
नहीं।